Take a look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the LT Preferred Equipment Group, Summit White, Light Titanium, Dark Titanium, Premium Cloth Seat Trim, Emissions, Federal Requirements, Rear Axle, 3.42 ratio, Engine, Vortec 5.3L Variable Valve Timing SV Flex Fuel with Active Fuel Management, Transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled, Wheels, 418 inches x 8, 45.7 centimeters x 20.3 centimeters, Aluminum, Interior Plus Package, Tires, P265/65 R18 on Off-Road, White Outlined Leather, Suspension Package, Off-Road and the Trailering Package, Heavy Duty. Call 706-733-9411 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.